Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Stripe with QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and make sure you're in the correct company file. You may also need admin access because limited users may not be able to manage integrations. From the QuickBooks home screen, go to the top right area of the page. Near the Settings area, click Integrations. Then select Find Integrations. This will open the QuickBooks App Marketplace where you can search for apps that connect with QuickBooks. In the search bar, type Stripe. You may also see Stripe under the Recommended Apps section. When Stripe appears, click the listing to open its app page. On the Stripe app page, quickly review the overview, features, requirements, and compatibility details. This helps confirm you're choosing the correct Stripe connector for your QuickBooks plan and region. When you're ready, go to the top right corner of the Stripe app page and click Connect. QuickBooks will then guide you through the connection process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the integration and connect your Stripe account. If you don't see the Connect option, check that your QuickBooks subscription is active, your user role has permission to manage apps, and you're inside the correct company file. Once the connection is complete, QuickBooks and Stripe should be linked based on the settings you selected during setup.